Welcome to Precalc. Precalc is a college level course taken through Southwest Minnesota State University. The first quarter is college algebra. The second quarter is special functions trigonometry. They are two totally separate courses, each worth 3 semester credits through Southwest State. If you are in the top half of your grade level as a senior or the top third of your grade level as a junior. Now let's go ahead and switch over to the Precalculus Moodle site. I want to show you a couple of things around there. Here's the initial page, so we'll go ahead and we'll scroll down here. You'll notice at the top there's a reason form where I want you to pretty much tell me why you're taking the course, what you hope to get out of it. Underneath here are some general resources of Hippocampus, Brightstorm video math lessons, your syllabus, and also if you happen to have questions throughout the course, you can post it here in the forum. So let's take a look at Chapter 1. For the most part, what we see in Chapter 1 will be similar to what we have in the other chapters. We start out in Chapter 1, we have a list of all the topics we'll be discussing. We have your completed notes. That's with all the notes from my smartboard filled in for you. Here's the blank guided notes, which you more or less get on the first day of the chapter. You have your review assignment to help you get ready for your test. PowerPoint lectures from the book, from the publisher. They're not from me, but you may find those helpful. And then for each lesson in that chapter, you will have a video of our smartboard lesson with me teaching it, going through it. And then there'll be links to what's referred to as Hippocampus. Hippocampus is a website in which they use audio and text and flash to be able to go ahead and explain pretty much the same concepts. It's not specifically tied to our book, but for some of you, you will find it very helpful as a resource. And then down at the end here, you'll see the solutions manual for that particular chapter. And so that's pretty much the same all the way through here. Once we get far enough down here, you'll also see a review section for your finals. Because you'll have one final over the first part, which is college algebra. You'll have one final over the second part, which is special functions trig. Now, let's go back up here and start watching one of these videos. When you're watching these videos, and you'll notice this one here, because it's a longer lesson, has 3 different parts. But we'll just go ahead and click on one of the videos. And then you'll want to go ahead and, well, you maybe won't have to, but some of you will want to go ahead and maximize it by hitting that window to make it maximum window. As you're going through here, you're going to want to take advantage of your pause and rewind. You're going to want to pause it to be able to copy notes down. You're going to want to go ahead and rewind it. We'll just go ahead here and get into a problem first. We'll let it get caught up here. And you may want to go ahead and rewind it and say, okay, I didn't quite catch that. I'm going to go ahead and watch it again. So you back it up and you watch it again. And so it's important as you're watching your videos to pause it and to rewind if there's something you didn't get the first time through. For the most part, that's the overview of the Moodle site as it is. It's a work in progress. It's here as a resource for you. Um, I may be making some changes to it throughout the course, but at least this is a good introduction for you. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.